How to use Bumble app for dating. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So in order to use Bumble for dating, first of all, you will need to download the Bumble app on your phone. After that, create an account for yourself. Next up, you will need to set up your profile carefully. For example, after you create your account and you are logged in, you can go to your profile section and select this complete profile option. From here, you can set up your profile. You can add up to 6 pictures in order to make your profile strong. You can configure other sections too, like add your interest. You can add your causes and communities. You can mention what qualities you do value. You can add the prompts for yourself. You can add your opening moves. You can construct your bio. Bio is also very important for yourself, so customize a very playful, funny, and your personality highlighting bio. Add the details about yourself, like your work, your education. Add other personality details over here. And the next important thing is you need to verify your account. For that, in your profile page, you can see this Verify My Profile option. Tap on this. For that, you'll need to take a photo of yourself. Once everything is set up, you can go to this People section at the bottom. Over here, you'll be exploring different profiles of the people. And if you're interested in this person, you can simply swipe right. If you're not interested, you can simply swipe to the left. And when the other person also swipes right on you, you'll have a match. After that, you'll have 24-hour time limits in order to start a conversation. So that's how you can use Bumble for dating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.